Once upon a time, in a deep green forest, a mighty lion lay asleep under a big tree. Suddenly, a little mouse ran across his paw. The lion woke up angrily and caught the mouse. "How dare you wake me up?" he roared. The mouse trembled and said, "Please, mighty lion, let me go. One day I may help you." The lion laughed loudly. "You, a tiny mouse?" But he was amused, so he let the mouse go free. Days later, the lion was trapped in a hunter's net. He roared and struggled, but he could not escape. Then the little mouse heard his cries. She ran quickly and began to gnaw the ropes. At last, the lion was free. He looked at the mouse with great respect and said, "Thank you, little friend. Now I know even the smallest can help the strongest." And the animals of the forest never forgot this lesson. Kindness is never wasted. Vocabulary to remember. Lion. Lion แปลว่าสิงโต Mouse. Mouse แปลว่าหนู Forest. Forest แปลว่าป่า Hunter. Hunter แปลว่านักล่า Net. Net แปลว่าตาข่าย Kindness. Kindness แปลว่าความเมตตาถ้าชอบนิทานเรื่องนี้อย่าลืมกดติดตามช่องนิทานสอนภาษาด้วยนะครับ ราตรีสวัสดิ์ฝันดีครับ Moon